Our next problem is log a plus b upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 2 log a plus log b. Then what is the value of a upon b plus b upon a? And these are the options given to us. Now here we see on right hand side we have 1 upon 2 log a plus log b. And log a plus log b can be written as log ab. So first step is that left hand side we write as it is log a plus b upon 3, and right hand side we write as 1 upon 2 log ab. And again using the formula n log m, I can write this as log ab to the power 1 upon 2, because 1 upon 2 is n here, ab is m, so n log m is log m to the power n. Now we have both the sides log, so a plus b upon 3 will be equal to ab to the power 1 upon 2. Logs are cancelled. Now square both the sides. So we get a plus b whole square upon 9 is equal to ab. Now we know that a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and 9 is multiplied in cross multiplication with ab gives us 9ab. So this gives us a square plus b square is equal to 7ab. 2ab will go right hand side, so it will be 7ab. Now ab divides both a square and b square, so I get a square upon ab plus b square upon ab is equal to 7. Now a square upon ab is what? It is a upon b, and b square upon ab is what? It is b upon a, and its value is 7. So value of a upon b plus b upon a is 7. Our option C is correct. Now we will see the question which has appeared in CPT 2017 December. The question is that log base 3 bracket within bracket log base 4 within small bracket log x to the base 2 is equal to 0, then what is the value of x? And these are the options given. This question, as I said, has appeared in December 2017 attempt. Now we see that if I am to remove this log, then this bracket thing will be equal to 3 to the power 0. So log base 4 in bracket log x base 2 is equal to 3 to the power 0, which is equal to 1, because by definition of log we know if a to the power x is equal to m, then log m to the base a is equal to x. With this rule, a here is 3, so right hand side we obtained 3 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So big bracket thing, this is equal to 1. Now again I wish to remove this log, so it will be, small bracket will be 4 to the power 1. Hence small bracket thing, that is x log x to the base 2 is equal to 4 to the power 1, and we know that 4 to the power 1 is 4. Again I apply definition of log formula. So here now a is 2 and x is 4. So therefore this x will be equal to 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means 16, and hence our option C is correct. Now we will see the next problem which has appeared of this topic in December 2017. Another question which appeared in December 2017 CPT attempt is, if log x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 log x plus log y, then what is the value of x square plus y square? And these are the options given to us. Now we can apply log m plus log n formula on the right hand side. So what is given to us is log x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Right hand side we write this as log xy with the formula that log m into n is equal to log m plus log n. We can write log x plus log y as log xy. Now 1 upon 2 is under the multiplication, so that becomes power with the rules of log, and hence it can be written as log xy to the power 1 upon 2. Now logs are there. We find that log are there on both the sides. So numbers will also be equal, and hence x minus y upon 2 is equal to xy to the power 1 upon 2. Now if we square both the sides, we get x minus y whole square upon 4 is equal to xy. A minus b whole square formula, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it becomes x square minus 2xy plus y square. 4 in cross multiplication with multiplied by xy. So it gives us 4xy. Now we want the value of x square plus y square. So x square plus y square, if we retain here in left hand side, 2xy minus 2xy will go on right hand side and it will become 6xy. And our option A is 6xy. So option A here is correct.